Good morning, student. Let's start our chapter 18th, Waste, Water and Management. In this chapter, we will read about how to deal with the wastewater. Let's begin with the chapter. Introduction. In class 6, you learnt about the types of waste, particularly the solid waste generated in the household. Which of these solid waste could be recycled? In this chapter, you will learn about the dirty water which is produced in kitchen, bathroom, while washing cars or your bicycles and industrial waste. This is wastewater. Wastewater is used water. What is wastewater? Wastewater is the used water which you have used in the household activities. Now let's start with the next topic, clean water. Clean water is a basic need of all of us. It is needed for several purposes for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, growing crops, and even for industries. Unfortunately, clean water is not available to use. Do you know that more than 1 billion people in our country do not get safe drinking water? As a result, they suffer from a number of water related diseases like typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. Even deaths may take place. Not only that, clean water is available in short supply. There is acute shortage of water. As such, you have read about the scarcity of water in chapter 60. Okay, what is clean water? Clean water is the water which is needed by us for various activities. But in India, there are some parts where the clean water is not available. So, these people, where the clean water is not available, the people living there suffer from diseases like typhoid, cholera, and dysentery, and they even fatal means death took place. And as I have already told you in chapter 16, that March 22 is celebrated as World Water Day. Now, let's start with sewage. Sewage is the wastewater from homes, domestic liquid as well as from industries, office, hospital and other places. It includes human excreta, industrial wastes, debris from roads and pathway which enter the sewerage. Now, rainwater that runs down during heavy rain is also included in sewage. Sewage is a liquid waste. Most of it water which has dissolved and suspended impurities. The impurities are called contaminants. Now the impurities are classified into the following categories like organic impurities, inorganic impurities, nutrients, bacteria, other microbes. Now organic impurities. It includes human feces and etc. And inorganic impurities include nitrate, phosphate, metals. Nutrients includes phosphorus and nitrogen. Bacteria, those causing cholera and typhoid, and other microbes they cause dysentery. So there are three different terms in the next topic, that is